Hello everybody, my name's Nellie. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to my very first pouring video. I started pouring this year in 2021 after watching all the amazing creators on YouTube and decided that I wanted to start filming my pours as well so I could kind of document my pouring journey and see if I get better. So in today's video I'm doing a dirty cup straight pour. Most of the paints I'm using are just craft paints from the dollar store. Since I'm just starting out, I'd like to practice a little bit with techniques and things. So I'm not going to put the colors in the description box or anything. If you'd like to recreate this piece, you can just use similar colors with whatever paints you have. I think this was my first dirty cup and my first straight pour, and I think it comes out pretty well. I decided to try spinning this one as well. I'm just torching out all the bubbles from the paint with my really nice torch. I think it took me about 3 torches before I found one that I liked for my hands that didn't give me blisters or something. I'm just putting some thin black paint down to help with the flow. It wasn't exactly coming out in the middle. I don't think the table was quite level anyways. So I'm just finishing the stretching by tilting it. I had this taped to the turntable, so I couldn't just pop it off to finish stretching it. I'm just going to give it one last torch, and then I'll bring you in for the wet close-ups. And here is the dry close-ups. I did actually put a little bit of Liquitex Gloss Medium in the paints that I used, so there's a little bit of a shine, not as much as I would have expected. Maybe I didn't use enough of the medium, so I'm going to try some more next time maybe. But I think it came out really nice. It's a little bit wonky in the middle, but it's kind of cute. It dried darker, and I don't know, I think it looks really nice, and I think once I get a gloss coat of spray on there. It's going to make the colors really pop, and I'm really excited that I managed to film this video. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more pouring, watch me on my little pouring journey. Hopefully I can get even better, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!